Prepositions of place. In. The book is in the bag. On. The cat is on the table. At. She is waiting at the bus stop. Under. The cat is under the table. Over. A bridge is over the river. Above. The bird flew above the trees. Below. The temperature is below zero. Between. She is standing between her friends. Among. Share the toys among kids. In front of. The car is in front of the house. Behind. The dog is behind the door. Near. The hotel is near the airport. Next to. He is sitting next to me. Inside. The keys are inside the drawer. Outside. The children are playing outside the house. Beside. She sat beside her mother. Around. There is a garden around the house. Along. The shops are along the road. Underneath. The shoes are underneath the bed. Within. The park is within the city. By. He is standing by the window. Against. The ladder is against the wall. Near to. The school is near to my house. Beneath. The village lies beneath the mountain.
Thank you for watching this video till the end. I hope you learned something new today. Now click on these 2 videos on the screen to keep improving your English. I'll see you there. Bye.